Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seed while I was sleeping, and the vision I walked alone, knowing the streets of cobblestones. Neath the halo of the street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were filled by the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, yeah. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that never share, no one dares disturb the sound of silence. Truths that I do not know, yeah. Silence like a cancer grows. They're my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops fall, echo the words of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the near God they made, and the sun flashed out its warning in the words it was forming, and the sun says the words of the prophet are written on the walls in the tenement hall, and whisper the song